power was strong enough.
Looks like it.
Yeah, all the way through. We use the values in the book. It looks like it might be powered up. Powerful.
No, as long as you don't move it, just keep printing it. It's not there.
Yeah.
I can drop down. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Check that.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Sweet.
What's it gonna be anyway?
It's the bottom. We've only put one piece out, but it's the bottom for a Robo Redentia bot we're doing for the robotics club. Essentially, those holes are for mounting plates right now. We're mounting 4 motors on there, and they're each rotate around. Each one has an omni wheel on it, so you can grab along.
Okay.
And then the bottom slot's going to be a wiring hole, so we can pull in the wires from the motor under. So
it's basically gonna go in like any direction.
yeah. Fire.
That's sweet.
So that would probably be really bad if we didn't have an air on.
That's pretty cool.
It takes a lot of learn. I've been shown it a few times.
There's several different settings.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on.
We got really close on the edge there near the top. Something to remember.
Probably could push it up a little bit more, get a more square edge to begin with.
Maybe, yeah, maybe I didn't have a square edge. Or maybe my piece isn't perfectly square too. That's a possibility. But it looks like the right size.